Welcome back, everyone. We are rocking and rolling in Boardman this evening on our Briarfield Healthcare Center's weather camera. This is the scene throughout the area. The wind continues to howl. The wind really kicked up early this afternoon once the sun started to come out and the atmosphere became a little more well mixed. In other words, a lot of that wind energy from aloft came down to the surface as the sun heated up the atmosphere and made things kind of turbulent out there. And at the top of the hour, 33 miles per hour, a fairly modest gust at the Youngstown Warren Airport, but almost 60 in New Philly, 54 in Akron, 45, I should say, in Pittsburgh. And although we have a little bit of a lull officially at the airport right now, it is still windy, of course, everywhere. It's going to stay pretty windy all night tonight. The highest wind gusts will probably be over the next couple of hours. This is all thanks to low pressure, which is spinning up over Lake Huron and northern Michigan this evening. And all these white lines here, these are isobars, lines of equal pressure. When there's a lot of these on a weather map, that means wind. And this time of the year is a particularly windy time of the year. So when you get a strong low pressure like this in March, yeah, you get a day like today. And this system has not brought a lot of precipitation, but we've had some raindrops occasionally pivoting through the area. These will fade away pretty quickly this evening. The wind, again, will continue to gust as we go through the evening into parts of the overnight. Even midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, the wind will still be howling out there at 40 miles per hour plus in gusts at least. Now, by tomorrow morning, if you're an early morning riser and you'll be out and about early on Saturday, it'll still be pretty blustery, but by midday and afternoon, finally, the wind will completely shut down before it turns kind of blustery again by Sunday. In the meantime, tonight, temperatures will drop out of the 50s and 40s down into the upper 20s, 29 degrees first thing tomorrow morning. The afternoon tomorrow, not as mild as today. Now, it didn't feel very mild thanks to the wind today, but tomorrow's actual temperatures will be quite a bit lower than today's. We made it into the lower and middle 50s today, but lower 40s tomorrow with at times clouds. At times we'll have some sunshine and just an uneventful start to the upcoming weekend with a high of 42 tomorrow afternoon. But we'll do a lot better than this temperature-wise on Sunday. A strong warm front lifts in the morning. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds on Sunday. A gusty breeze, not as windy as today, but still a gusty breeze for the Mahoning Valley St. Patrick's Day Parade in Boardman on Sunday. But we will be dry, most importantly, on Sunday. In fact, we'll stay dry for a good chunk of Sunday night. But by Monday morning, here come the showers. Here comes the wind again. And the colder air will follow. We'll go from the lower 60s Monday morning to the lower 30s by late Monday afternoon into Monday evening. Here's an animation of those temperatures falling as we get into the second half of the day on Monday in the wake of this cold front. In fact, it will be cold enough for maybe a couple of snowflakes before Monday is through. And scattered flurries and snow showers also in the forecast for parts of Monday night and for St. Patrick's Day on Tuesday. That high of 27 Tuesday would make it the coldest St. Patrick's Day in 50 years. Wow. Beyond that, it will be a little bit warmer, 36 degrees on Wednesday, 49 on Thursday, and close to a seasonable 50 a week from today on Friday. Derek.
Yeah, glad to see those temperatures going upwards. Thanks, Eric. Next on 21.